Hello everyone, this is Leanne Allegretto at the National Weather Service in Missoula, bringing you this very quiet week of weather ahead for the Northern Rockies. So here's a current satellite as of Sunday, October 31st, the morning of. You can see a pretty strong area of high pressure over the Northern Rockies and the Pacific Northwest. You can tell by the giant cloud shield that's riding up and over British Columbia and Alberta. That signals that we are under an area of high pressure. And that's what's going to drive our weather for the week and keep it pretty quiet as far as weather events go. It should be a pretty sleepy week. What we're expecting, like I said, a quiet weather week ahead. Seasonable daytime high temperatures with near or below freezing low temperatures. And we will have an easterly gradient that will produce east to northeasterly winds both Sunday and Monday, so October 31st and November 1st. We'll have a weak weather disturbance on Tuesday, which there's low confidence in any precipitation falling with that, but I will get into it as we go ahead. And then there is a potential for a more organized system by the end of the week, possibly going into next weekend, which I will cover as we go forward. So here is a series of pictures showing the most likely outcome of the pattern going through this week. And really, you don't need to know much other than there's a giant bubble of warm colors over the Intermountain West and Pacific Northwest, and all 5 of these different clusters show pretty much the same agreement that we are going to be under a ridge of high pressure at least through Thursday of this week, Wednesday, Thursday time frame. And that will bring us the quiet, snoozy weather that we are expecting. Here's a comparison of max temperature trends this week. On the left is Monday's forecasted high temperatures for the area compared to Thursday's high temperatures. You can see about 10 to, 15 degrees, depending on where you look, difference. It does warm up, especially in the mountains and the high valleys. So we'll get back up into seasonable temperatures by mid to late week. So here's the week disturbance on Tuesday. As you can see, these are precip amounts expected to fall by Tuesday, so basically Monday night into Tuesday, and it's not a lot. And with confidence low in this even occurring, I thought I'd mention it since it is a feature that may pass through and try and undercut the high pressure ridge, but it's not going to result in much in the way of precipitation. So going into the weekend, I'm showing another set of cluster images which show there is some disagreement. Some of these clusters show the blue trying to attempt to hit the Washington coast, Pacific Northwest coast there, while others are trying to hang on to the ridge of high pressure over our neck of the woods. So that would lead to low confidence going into later this week into the weekend, but the fact that some of these clusters are hinting at a change in the pattern, we'll be keeping an eye on this in case we do start to see a more organized weather pattern going into Friday, Saturday, Sunday of later this week into the weekend. Here's our weather threat matrix. Tuesday, with that weak system, there could be a low threat of snow at mountain passes. And then as we go into that Friday period, there is the potential for a changeover in pattern, which may result in some low chances of snow at passes as well. Looking out 8 to 14 days, so this covers the period of November 7th through November 13th, we will stay in a higher likelihood of more precipitation than not, and our temperatures should be warmer than not for that trending time period. So more precipitation, more mild temperatures for this time of year. And that's it. It was a quick one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Thursday, November 4th.